Everyone, welcome back to Fast Stock Market News, where I give you all the news as fast as I can. So today's Saturday, guys, and I always do crypto videos on Saturday, and man oh man, has it been an absolute bloodbath in the stock market and in the crypto market. So if you guys are not aware at this point, I did make a video yesterday stating about how the CPI data had to come in line with around 8.3. Anything higher than 8.3 and the market was going to sell off, crypto included. If we would have had an 8.2, massive rally. But as you may have seen, that didn't happen, and I'll get to the inflation numbers in a minute. So we can see for the week, Bitcoin is down 3.4, about 4%. Ethereum, massive loss for the week, 13.5% down, and I'll get to why they're down. Everyone else is just absolutely tanking as well. You have BNB down, XRP, Solana, Doge, doesn't matter what it is. All crypto got absolutely annihilated. Altcoins, the biggest victims of the sell-off, but the big driver for crypto and the stock market is inflation. And as you guys can see, this inflation chart is absolutely parabolic. What's happening right now, the inflation data is basically up to 8.6%, meaning the Fed has lost basically all control of inflation. This is the biggest increase in 40 freaking years. Absolutely incredible. This is causing everything to sell off, especially things such as high-risk stocks and high-risk assets like Bitcoin. As you can see, guys, this is the biggest loss since January for the stock market, based on, again, the hot CPI data. And we're not just focus on what happened with the stock market, but another huge driver for the crypto selling off, but specifically the altcoins, is because of Ethereum. Ethereum basically delayed their Ethereum 2.0 merger again. This is causing a massive selling pressure, basically kicking the can down the road once again. And if you guys don't know what 2.0 Ethereum is, it's basically going to have a lower energy costs and also lower gas fees overall in general. And with the delay, you saw Ethereum absolutely tank this morning, and it's completely down right now. It fell below $1,500, and it's just basically really bad right now for cryptocurrency. But what's the biggest driver that could make us go back up in not only the crypto space but also in the stock market? I think Cramer is basically getting a little bit fed up. He's been defending the Fed for a long time now, but he's starting to lose patience with the Fed, and he had some interesting choice words to say in Squawk Box yesterday. Have a look.
Just talked about it with Becky. I was looking through every major component. Nothing fell. Not apparel, month on month. Not used cars. Nothing.
Well, I think that what's a shame about that number is that apparel's fallen big since then. Used cars have fallen very big since then. We obviously are now stalled in the housing market because rates have gone so high, and the lock-ins are from 2 months ago. So this number is rearview mirror. At the same time, I think that the number is scaring people. And if the Fed acted right now with a big jolt, I think that what would happen is people would say, you know what, it's going to peak, and the Fed is in charge, and I'm less concerned, and we can move on. But right now is a critical moment. You can really knock inflation out right here, except for gasoline. And that's up to the president. The president can negotiate a lower price, but the president has to give in to what the oil companies want. So I'm very bearish about right now, obviously, because people don't realize that there are a lot of components that will be much better. Food will not be much better, but that's obviously transient to some, not to me. And gasoline will be worse. And you have to start going back to when there's been big gasoline step functions up. David, you know that gasoline's very hard to get down unless we get about a couple million barrels more per day. And nobody sees that coming.
You guys, as Cramer stated, the biggest driver right now is food and gas prices. And for the first time in a long time, nationwide, the average cost of gasoline is at $5. This is causing, again, massive sell pressure, massive inflation. And we're not going to see cryptocurrency go anywhere anytime soon if we continue to have hot inflation. And for right now, Bitcoin, I will say, is holding pretty strong. Bitcoin's all-time low is somewhere in the neighborhood of 25K-ish, and it hasn't reached that bottom, while you have other stocks and other equities that are basically selling off and hitting week after week 52-week lows. But Ethereum continues to hold strong, but I can't say the same thing for altcoins. They're absolutely getting devastated today and also for the week. And then again, that has to do with Ethereum's delay If Ethereum is an altcoin, and altcoins basically sell off in cohorts together. Ethereum rises, then you're gonna have altcoins rise as well. But unfortunately, there's nothing positive to report now, guys. For me personally, I have a lot of Ethereum stake, and I'm gonna continue to hodl. I'm not going to be selling despite the prices. There's no point at this point in the game. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys are doing, and thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Take care. Thanks again, everyone, for watching Fast Stock Market News. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, commenting, or liking the video. I would greatly appreciate it. My name is Gio, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Take care.